Hello and welcome to the InFocus series of Drishti IAS. I am Ritu and today's session is about new income tax bill 2025 and this session is important for your GS 3 perspective. So moving towards the points of discussion part. So first of all, we are going to discuss the news, then we are going to discuss about the simple tax law, then we are going to discuss about that what is tax year, and then we are going to discuss about cryptocurrency regulation, resolution and exemptions, and then tax rate structure, and after that we are going to discuss practice question for prelims. Before that, you have to like, share and subscribe to this TIE's channel. Moving towards to the news part. So before moving to the news part, we have an important announcement related to Drishti IAS Noida, and our Noida address is C171/2 Block A Sector 15 Noida Uttar Pradesh. And for English medium, the class has begun by 17th of February, time 6 p.m. For Hindi medium, 21st February, 11:30 a.m. And this is for the ISGS Foundation course. If you want to know more information about the classes, you can call on to number 87501. Coming to the discussion part. So the news is that the income tax bill 2025 has been tabled in the Lok Sabha. So this is the news which we are going to discuss, that what this new bill contains and what are the alteration which had happened to this new bill. So here we are going to discuss about this particular bill and what are the content which has been written into this bill, and if the bill is passed, it will be applicable since April 1, 2026. So coming to the discussion part. So the discussion is, this time we have shorter and simpler tax law. So earlier what we have seen that in the Income Tax Act 1961, so the document was 823 pages, but right now we have 622 pages. So we have streamlined 24% and 23 chapters down from the 47 and 536 section down from the 819 sec. So what this tells us, that earlier the document was very bulky in nature, but this time we had made it very short and crisp and uses tables, formulae and structured formats for the clarity. So earlier there was a descriptive, but this time we have used the table and formulae and structures so that any lay person can also easily understand that what is the structure. Then simplified terminologies and formats. So the bill removes 1200 provisos and 900 explanations that made tax laws complex. And here tax deduction, exemption, TDS, TCS rates are now in tabular format. So this particular slide is all about that how by reducing the pages, how we kept information in the tables, how we used formulae and new structures to make the document more crisp and short and very easy to understand. So coming to the next one, which is about introduction of the tax year. So earlier we used to have assessment year. This time we are going to have a tax year, and tax year is of the 12 month of duration, which will start from the 1st of April. So this is the 1st of April to 31st March. So this is the tax year, and currently tax is assessed in the assessment year. So in order to remove this confusion, this bill has the tax year in provision to the assessment year. So coming to the next one, which is about virtual digital space and cryptocurrency regulation. So by seeing and analyzing the current circumstances, we do have a column for the virtual digital space and cryptocurrency assets, and right now the cryptocurrency has in this particular new bill, the cryptocurrency has been included as a capital asset. So this is about the cryptocurrency classified as a property, such as the Bitcoin and Ethereum will be treated as the capital asset similar to land, shares and gold. So this is a new development here, and tax authorities can now email social media, cloud accounts, online investment, trading and digital banking records for investigation. So this time we have given a wider scope for the digital space has been given to the tax authorities. So now here we are going to discuss some more aspects, dispute resolution and exemption. So what will happen in a situation of dispute resolution? So we have this dispute resolution panel, and it has some changes. So it provides a clear process for issuing decisions, reducing ambiguity in tax dispute. So this time, as the document already suggests, that this time we are going to have more clarity in comparison to the other tax structure. Removal of the outdated exemption. So we had removed the outdated exemption, section 54E, which allowed exemptions on capital gains before 1992 has been removed. Deduction for salary components, standard deduction, gratuity, leave, encashment are now detailed in a tabular form. So this is about the dispute resolution and exemption. Here we are going to have a discussion on income and tax rate structure. So new tax regime focus. The bill provides tax slabs for the new regime but omits old tax regime rates. Any changes to tax slabs will be announced in the Finance Act of that year. So through Finance Act of that year, we'll got to know about any changes related to the income tax. Expanded definition of income. So this time they had also expanded to the digital and evolving sectors. So as you already know that by seeing the current circumstances, digital transaction, digital source of income has been also included to this particular thing. And impact and next steps, enhance clarity and reduce litigation, taxpayer friendly approach and legislative process. So here all the process has been taken and it has tried to make a people centric approach and very easy to understand by the common person also. So this is a very good example which has been set by the India. So if this particular bill has been passed, we can set example to for the other countries that how to what you can say reform our tax structure, how to make it more crisp and short, and by analyzing the current circumstances we have to see that how digital currencies and digital source of income should also included in the tax bracket. Now we are going to discuss the let's crack prelims together. So on the by the 15th of Feb we already had started this session, which is the PYQ series. So kindly watch all the videos of PYQ series where we had analyzed the previous year questions of the related topics. So coming to the question part, which outdated tax exemption has been removed in the new bill? Deduction for life insurance premiums, section 54E, which allowed capital gains exemption before 1992. Tax benefits on home loans, standard deduction for salaried employees. So you can answer this into the comment section. I hope you like this session. If you have any queries related to this session, kindly ask into the comment section. Thank you. Have a nice day.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.